Let us learn how to use if statement for iteration or looping. We know that do while statement is not supported by ANSI Fortran. We can use a combination of if statement and go to statement to replace do while statement. We can either use block if statement or we can use logical if statement as a replacement for do while statement. So we have already seen how this flowchart works. We have written a program using do while loop to calculate factorial of a given number. For this part we have used do while loop earlier. Now here we will use if statement, that is block if statement, and go to statement to simulate working of do while loop. The program logic will be like this: read statement, then f equal to 1, I equal to 2. Here instead of do while we have used if statement. So here if I is less than or equal to n, then this part is executed, and at the end of this part we can see there is a go to statement which transfers control back to statement number 100, which is beginning of if statement. So this part is executed and then control is transferred to the test expression. If it evaluates to true again, then again this part is executed and the process is continued till I is less than or equal to n. So when I is greater than n, this part is not executed and therefore control is transferred to this statement which displays factorial of a number. Let us go back to the program. This program uses do while statement for calculating factorial. So this program which uses do while statement can be replaced by a program which uses if statement. So you can see that this program uses do while statement. Logic is very similar. Only thing that is different is it uses a go to statement and if statement instead of do while statement. Here we have got do while. Here this program uses if statement. Let us execute the program. You can calculate factorial of 4 and it's displayed correctly. Alternatively, we can also use logical if statement for performing same task. So this program uses block if statement, whereas this next program uses logical if statement. The logic is altered slightly. Here I've written this condition: if I is greater than n, control is transferred to this statement. Otherwise these statements are executed. So if this condition is not true, that is if I is not greater than n, that means if I is less than or equal to n, control will be naturally transferred to this statement, f equal to f into I, then I equal to I plus 1, and at this location there is this go to statement which transfers control to this statement again, and again the test expression is evaluated. Initially this test expression will be false and therefore control will not be transferred to statement number 200. So till this condition is false, this part is executed, and when this condition becomes true, that is when I is greater than n, control is transferred to this statement and value of f is displayed. Factorial is given as 24, factorial of 4. We can repeat this process for another value. Displays factorial of 6. This is